Okay, hello to the group. I want to do a quick unboxing of the new 22 Aldebaran that I just received from Japan. I ordered it on Monday, and it's already here. Incredible. Across the world. And magic happens in this day and age, which is pretty crazy. Okay, I'm opening up the box. It's all taped up. Secondary box. The first box. I bought it from Japan App Market off of eBay. It was $310 and free shipping, free FedEx shipping, and then tax was, I don't know, $15 or something. So it's the Aldebaran BFS Series 22 HG left. Pretty excited because it's considered the best Aldebaran on the market, or correction, the best BFS reel on the market. Comes in a plastic bag. You get some paperwork with it. And here it is. Pretty crazy. Trying to hide my head because the phone really likes to focus in on the head. Pretty stoked to get this thing going. Really lightweight, feels really good. I've heard nothing but great things about this. And then I'm going to put it on this rod from AliExpress, which I've done a review on, which is the 4-piece collapsible. And it should work out great. Can't wait. I'm going to try it out on the Provo River tomorrow. Oh boy, is that lightweight. That is incredible. That is really incredible. So this retails in the States for about $450. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I think that's about right. If you get it off the eBay, you can obviously get it for $100 cheaper. So I got it for about $310. Not really hip on the color, but it is what it is. No big deal. Crazy lightweight. Can't wait to try it out. So it's pretty amazing what you can get these days. Whereas back in the day, it probably would have taken forever to get this in the mail. But really looking forward to trying it. That's my quick update. I'm going to put some 6-pound braid on it with about a 4-foot, I don't know, maybe a monofilament leader with a snap swivel, or not, correction, with just a swivel, not a snap swivel, just a swivel, and go from there. Okay, cheers.